Welcome to Michigan Condo Voices, where real co-owners and real Michigan communities come together. We break down the issues that matter most with clarity and transparency. Let's get into today's episode.
Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie and welcome back to Michigan Condo Voices. Please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel so we can get the word out. In a previous video, we talked about why HOA petitions often fail procedurally, even when the issue itself is valid. Today, we're continuing that conversation with analyzed real-world examples of common procedural pitfalls. In some communities, petitions require more than just signatures. For example, ownership verification, voting certificates, or designating voting representatives, also known as DVRs, and specific signature formats tied to governing documents. When petitions collect signatures without confirming these requirements, boards may be obligated to invalidate them, even if the number of supporters appears sufficient. This isn't intent, it's documentation. Another common issue is petition language. Some governing documents require the exact wording, references to specific sections, and clear statements of authority or purpose. If a petition requests an action the bylaws don't authorize or uses informal wording instead of required language, it can be ruled procedurally defective before the issue is even considered. In some associations, election or voting procedures change over time. If co-owners rely on past practices instead of current requirements, petitions may fail because updated procedures were not followed, new documentation rules applied, and timelines shifted. This is especially challenging when changes are not clearly communicated or widely understood. When a petition is invalidated, it often feels dismissive or intentional. But procedurally, boards are usually required to apply rules consistently, review form before substance, and avoid selective enforcement. That doesn't mean communication can improve, but it does mean process governs outcomes. Before starting the next petition, co-owners should do the following: review current governing documents, confirm documentation requirements, clarify procedural steps in writing, treat petitions as formal governance actions, and focus on compliance before collection. When process is respected, participation becomes stronger, not weaker. Petitions aren't powerless, they're procedural. And when co-owners understand the rules, their voices are far more likely to be heard and upheld. Thank you for listening to Michigan Condo Voices. I'm Stephanie. Please subscribe to the channel to get the word out. Take care.